In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download FIFA 23 on iPhone or Android. So technically, FIFA 23 is a Windows application. So you can't technically download it. However, you can download its counterpart onto the mobile itself. So its counterpart is actually the EA Sports. So search right here for EA Sports. Can head over to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for EA Sports on your Google Play. Should be able to see and hear this. It has 500 million plus downloads. Head over and click on the install option right here in order to install EA Sports for your actual account. However, if you're still insistent on downloading FIFA 23, you can head over onto the tab right here and search right here for Web Simulator for Android. So it can be for iPhone as well, depending on what you want. So we have in here some options that you want. So you can just head over and test them out. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.